Welcome to our new digital home.
For us, this is a bringing together of all the elements that make up Tautai. It's a vibrant, informative and user-friendly place where ideas, news and support can be provided for the many rising and established artists of our family. We're all well aware how important community, art and family are in Pacific Island life. These elements are the building blocks of our new home. It's a digital meeting place for Pacific Island art, a forum for highlighting and championing the issues, solutions and the challenges facing our Pacific arts community. A nurturing environment that is a go-to place for emerging young and emerging Pacific artists. Somewhere they can find guidance and discover how to become involved in the many support programs Tautai has to offer. As in any family, open communication is essential. Our digital home is a welcoming space where artists are encouraged to be seen and to participate in open dialogue on matters relating to Pacific art. It's also an up-to-the-minute notice board that highlights what's happening now and is upcoming in the Pacific arts community. For many artists, it is the first opportunity they will have to display their work in a public space. We all know technology, and indeed the pace of life does not stand still. Therefore, Tautai's digital community will need to evolve and adapt to meet change. Regular reviews will be undertaken to ensure our digital home continues to meet the needs and expectations of the Pacific Island community. That it is an ideal showcase where we can share our stories and our art with the world, one of which we can be justifiably proud.
We welcome you and invite you to enjoy our new home.